Smooth sphere of mass of A of mass M moving with speed 0.6. Okay, so we're just going to go. There is the bloody ellipsis. Now, what we saying? It goes up with, and it hits a smooth sphere, impinges at angle theta. So for me, what I'm thinking is it's coming up like this, and it's hitting it. It's moving this direction here. And what direction would that be? Did anybody else picture that in their head? Okay. And then what can I do? Opposite angles, can't I? So what am I saying about it before the collision? I'm saying that it's actually going, that is also theta. And I'd start off this question like this. And it says 0.6, doesn't it? So we could use 0.6 cos theta and 0.6 sine theta. Okay. They're both of equal one's mass m, the other one's mass 2m, and the other one's not moving, right? And then after our initial strike, it's going to get deflected. And it gives us information though. A is found to move with a speed of 0.2 in a direction that is 90 degrees away from the original. So that's tricky. Okay, so get this. Oof, that's a tough one. Does everybody see this? Yeah? And does everybody see the way that's 90 degrees? And then what's the rebound velocity going to be at rebound angle? It's a really awkward one, but I'm gonna show you how to fix this up. Would everybody be happy that this is 90 minus theta? How do we know that? Has to all add to 180. What does that mean about this green angle up here? Anybody know the green angle? Theta. Has to add up to 180, doesn't it? And that's 90. No, just theta. Add up all three angles and what would you get? Think about it. Add up the three yellow angles and what would I get? 180. Now that makes it a bit easier on the way out because look what I can do now. Was just to draw this triangle a bit further here. Now, we know that this triangle is exiting. How do I know it's exiting up to the left? How do I know it's going up to the left? Anybody tell me? Did not say that it rotates a full 90 degrees after impact. So that for me would mean that this is, what did this speed was? 0.2. That's my theta. And I can actually use this. I can actually use 0.2 cos theta as its j direction. And I can use 0.2 sine theta as its. Why is it minus 0.2? I know what phi1 is. How do I know that phi1 is minus 0.2 sine theta? Yeah, exactly. All right. So, sorry guys, I'll do a good before and after picture for you now. Okay, let's do the before and after. No. All right, so here's my before and after picture. So we all have it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I think we all said it's 0.6 cos theta and 0.6 sine theta. We all said that that's 0 and 0. Then we went underneath and we said that this is V1, which is now, what do we know what V1 is? Minus 0.2 sine theta. Now we all know that's going up to the left, don't we? And what's the high one then? 0.2 theta. Now here's the interesting thing. Here's something that you're going to figure out right away. What can I say about those two yellow parts? Why can I say the two of them are the same? Why can I say they're the same? J value doesn't change. So straight away, I'm going to get tan theta equals a third in a second, and that's phi 2. That's 0. Look, the two of them equal each other, so 0.2 cos theta equals 0.6 sine theta. Bring the cos theta under the sine theta, and bring the 0.6 underneath 0.2. And I should get tan theta equals a third. We found out that tan theta is a third. Find the coefficient restitution. Have I done PCM and NEL yet? I haven't even done them yet, so we're going to have to figure that out now. Now, good news for us. Since we know that tan theta is a third, what can I now figure out right away? I can figure out what sine theta and cos theta are, can't I? So if that's theta, it's claiming that the adjacent opposite is 1 and the adjacent is 3. What happens if we do Pythagoras' theorem? Root 10. 3 squared plus 1 squared is 10, squared is 10. What can I say that cos theta and sine theta are? What do you think? 1 over root 10 and 3 over root 10. It is the other way around. Thank you for that. Cos theta and sine theta. Opposite over hypotenuse, adjacent over hypotenuse. All right, great. Nearly there now. Very close to being done here. Let's start with PCM. If you remember correctly, the mass of the first one M and the mass of the second one is M and 2M. All right, I'm going to do my PCM now in blue. M times 0.6 cos theta, which is 3 over root 10. 2M times 0 equals, I have to do that one there, don't I then? Just go and get rid of the PCM sign. I haven't got enough room here. So, and then let's do a bit of housekeeping here. All right, there we go. 0.0. Now I'm going to do M times minus 0.2. Sine theta is 1 over root 10. And then phi 2 is almost what I'm after, 2M phi 2. Now, I think I have enough information to get phi 2 here. Yeah, I think I should be able to get phi 2 right here, right now. So, M's are going to cancel. Okay. What's 0.6 times 3? 1.8 over root 10. Minus 0.2 over root 10 equals 2 phi 2. Now, 1.8 plus 0.2 is going to be what when I bring it over? And we get 2 over root 10. 2 phi 2. And then we get a phi 2 score of 1 over root 10. Yep. Oh, what happens? Think? Yeah. If you put that into your calculator, you get 10, root 10 over 10 is actually the same answer. They're both equal to each other. So if you have that, you're correct. Is that right? Grant. Now, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find out what phi 1 is. And we already knew that phi 1 was it minus 0.2 sine theta, wasn't it? And what do we know the sine theta is? 1 over root 10. All right, put that in your calculator, and what do we get? Anybody know what that answer is? What? Minus root 10 over 50 is correct. Yeah, I'll take that. Have I done any L today? No, I haven't done any L today. We're going to do any L. What do we get this time? V1 minus V2 is minus E in P. U1 minus U2. We actually know what V1 and V2 are, don't we? So V1 is minus root 10 over 50. V2 is minus 1 over root 10. E is what we're after. What's U1 again? U1 is 0.6 cos 60. Sorry, 0.6 cos theta. What do we all say cos theta is again? 3 over root 10. You happy with that? Okay, this is going to be interesting. Can somebody put the two of them together in the calculator? Let me know what you get. Minus 3 root 10 over 25. Okay. Cancel the minus 3's on both sides. Bring the root 10 up. I'm going to get 10 over 25. Is that right? Root 10 by root 10 is 10, and E. Who got E value 2 over 5? Is that the correct answer in the back? Lads are telling me the answer is 2 over 3. We made a mistake. The mistake that one of the lads told me it was I think I got the, what was it? The speed before the collision is 0.6 cos theta. And that's 0.6 times 3 over root 10, right? Times 3 over root 10, yeah? So I just forgot the 0.6, was it? Sorry, so 0.6 times 3 over root 10. What is 0.6 times 3 over root 10? 1.8 over root 10? Or 9 root 10 over 50. So when you multiply that out, you get 9 root 10 over 50. That's what we'll work with now. So it's 9 root 10 all over 50. Now we'll try this again. We'll divide both sides by minus 3. So minus 3 cancels. And what's minus 9 divided by minus 3? Just 3. Bring up to 50. Actually, take the root 10s out while we're at it. Yeah. Bring the 50 up. Feed the 3 by the 25 below. And that's what we're all thinking the answer is. Answer is 2 over 3.